How to download MySQL Server. For this one, you have to pick this URL and copy this URL and open your browser and paste this URL. You're going to navigate to that MySQL community downloads. Here, you can select an operating system. If you have Windows, it will go into select a default. If you have Linux, it will select as a Linux as a default. Like that one, we can see that Mac OS, Fedora, etc. For this one, so it automatically selected as Microsoft Windows. Now here you're going to get files here. So it is zip file you can download. I'm going for an download page where you can find an MSI file which is a 32-bit or 64-bit. Now I'm choosing this one. Just click on download. Then it is going to ask that one, do you want to log in? So just I want to click on no thanks, just start my download. Then it is going to begin to download here. After downloading, you can able to see that .exe file, or you can call MSI file. After downloading, just you need to double click it. It is going to open the file to download. Here we can see that the file is downloaded successfully. Just double click it. Then it is going to preparing to download. Just click on yes to further installation. Then it is fetching all that extracted files. Then click on yes button. It will ask, do you want to install? Then now it is going to install. Then do you existing upgrades? Just click on no to upgrade. Then now you are getting an MySQL page where you want a developer page, server only. Just I'm clicking a server. Then you can go for a customize also, just where you can customize your. So just for this one installation of MySQL server, just click on server only, then click on next. Then it asking the path, it's just already it is saying that existing path. Click on next to override it, then click on yes. Now it is getting to ready to install. For this one, you have to click an execute button. You can able to see the progress button here, how much it has been downloaded. After completing of 100%, then you're going to click on next button. Now click on next. Then product configuration, just you click on next. Then the default port is 3306. You can see that pip name is a MySQL. Just don't do anything. If you want to change the port number, now it's a time to change, but the default is it's taking a 3306. Click on next. Then authentication method, click on next. Then it asking the password. So basically in online you can see that Scott or Tiger. I'm taking the root as a password. I'm checking that. Here it's get a checkbox stuck because this role account and roles which already exist. So when you're getting a fresh account, then it can going to ask that one, enter the username and password. That time you have to enter username already is taken as a root. Then I'm choosing a password also root. Just click on next. Then this service name is MySQL 80. Just I'm taking the standard account. Jack is going to click on execute. It is going to execute the right configuration file, updating the Windows firewalls, adjusting Windows service, everything. Then you're going to get a button called finish. Now click the last one, click on finish. That's it. Your MySQL server is installed successfully. To check that MySQL installed or not, just open this one, the runtime. So it's asking the password. We taken as root. Yes. You can check it out. The command line is right now it's came to execute. Then if you want to check something, type databases, show databases. So it is showing that it having a 4 databases. That's it, that MySQL server is installed in your laptop.